What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, and today I'm gonna go ahead and put in the group set back into my mongoose. However, I already have a 11 to 42 cassette on it, but I ordered this Sunshine cassette, which is 11 to 46 tooth cassette, a few months ago from AliExpress. And I'm gonna go ahead and put back the box 4, which is a 8-speed. However, that thing says that it can only take 11 to 42. So I don't know if this is gonna work. So let's go ahead and check that out. Now, before I do that, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. If you'd like to support the channel, link the description. Other than that, let's do this real quick. Alright, so just like before, simple. I'm not gonna grease this up because I'm only gonna mock it up. Alright, so it is in, I'm not greasing it up yet. If it fits, then great. If not, I can always use this goat link, but I'm hoping that it will take it without the use of the goat links. Let's go ahead and put in the group set on the bike and try that out. All right, so there it is, put up together. First gear, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, and yes, it will not make it to the 8. Well, it kind of does, but it's pushing it. So I don't think this is gonna be very safe for this. Unless I can screw in the limit at the rear. Let me try that. Let me back up and try that. Alright, does the B screw all the way in? Let's see if that makes a difference. It is in, but it's rubbing way too much. So let me try it out with the goat link, see how that goes. Well, if you have a box 2 and you were thinking about putting in a box 4, and you were thinking about putting in something higher than a 42 tooth with a goat link, I just tried that. I just didn't like how it was shifting. I couldn't even get it to adjust properly. So I think the best bet is to get a box 4 and just stick with whatever the highest cog is, which I think is gonna be a 42 tooth cassette. Wait. Let's come back to that real quick. So after messing with it for a little while, I noticed that the goat link that was provided with that cassette, on the back of it, it was not completely flush. So it was like a flaw. It had like a flaw. So it wasn't a really good goat link. So I could either had a file and file it up to make it flush, but I didn't have one. So later on, I found another goat link that I ended up trying, a perfectly well machined goat link. I put that on and it actually works. So the other issue that I had is that, as you could see, I had a oval chain ring, and I think that's what I don't know if you remember back a few months ago when I did the training, the bike stat training video, where I did a little clip where the chain was actually flapping a little bit with different derailleurs. I think that ended up happening because of that actual oval chain ring. So I swapped the oval chain ring and it's working. So I do have a 11 to 46 tooth cassette on the Mongoose Blackham, and it is working fine with the Gold Link extension on the box 4. That's the 8-speed one. And it's working great, shifting great. And make sure you stay tuned because something is happening to this block. I mean, you don't want to miss that. Let's go back to the end of this video. Well, I hope that you learned with me today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to support the channel, linked in the description. Other than that, that is going to be it for this one. See you on the trails. Goodbye.